Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our class for today. This is Teacher Shai and welcome to our online class. Okay, so before we start, I would like to ask everybody to please type your English name, number, and class in our comment section. Okay, English name, number, and class in our comment section. Now today we will be talking about sports and games. Sports and games. Okay, so what do you mean by sports? Sports like basketball, badminton, football, and then games we have, what is example of games? What are examples of games? Chess. Oh, chess can be a sport too. Like board games that you play at home. Crossword. Okay, so sports and games. Now we will talk about the previous sports that you learned before, and then you can also suggest other sports and games, and then describe the sports using superlative adjectives. Okay, so we will start with a review, new words, sentences, and then activity. Now let's go to our review. Now let's say these together, everybody. So we have the first one. What is this one? Mountain biking. Mountain biking. All right, so mountain biking. Next one, rafting. Next one, rafting. Okay, water. It's like water rafting, like, yeah. Next one, checkers. Checkers. All right, so checkers, and we have chess. Chess. All right, so checkers versus chess. Now this is what checker looks like. There are spaces in between, but then chess is like this one. Okay, Mai. All right, next one, dominoes. Dominoes. Okay, and darts. Darts. Okay, so let's go to our new words, everybody. New vocabularies. Okay, so let's go with, oops. Okay, all right. So the first one for our new word today is skateboarding. Skateboarding. All right, so this is what skateboarding looks like. Now, I believe this is very famous in Thailand. Now, who among you here knows how to do skateboarding? Who among you here knows how to skateboarding? No skateboarding. Okay. All right. Okay, so is it exciting, Mai? Is it exciting? Is it fun? Yes or no? Skateboarding. Oh, it's exciting. Shine. Next one. Next one we have wind surfing. Wind surfing. Okay, so wind surfing. So from the term itself, what are you gonna do with this? How do you do this sport? You surf with the wind. Okay, so wind and then surfing. Okay, windsurfing, just like this one. I think in Wahin there are many windsurfing places, Shimai. Okay, so windsurfing. Next one, archery. 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 Okay, so archery is shooting an arrow from afar. Okay, so our new words are skateboarding. One more time. Okay, next one. Good job. And next one. Archery. Good job. All right. So now we will proceed to our adjectives. Now, what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that we use to describe. Okay, describe. Describe like, oh, she is beautiful. Oh, that looks cute. That is so scary, like that. Okay, my words that we use to describe. Oh, he is so cool, like so cool, like that. Okay, so we have 6 adjectives here that we can use to describe sports. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words to describe, or 6 words that we can use to describe a sport. Okay, so we have the first one. Everybody say safe. Safe. Good job. Number 2, dangerous. 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 Okay, number 3, easy. 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 Okay, number 4, difficult. 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 Okay, number 5, exciting. 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 Next, number 6, boring. Boring. All right, so since Teacher Shai don't know what these words are in Thai, let's look at these words now in Google. So we have the first one. What do you mean by safe? What is safe? Oh, this one. Safe as an adjective. Now, how do we say
safe.
that? Oh, law. No, it's wrong. Wisha.
วิชา
Really? Oh no, it's wrong. What is happening? Okay. Safe. All right, so what is safe in
ปลอด
Thai?
ภัย ปลอดภัย
Okay, that is safe. Teacher Nok and Teacher Ann will confirm that to you. Next one, we have dangerous. 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 What is dangerous?
อันตราย
Oh, I think this one. I need dangerous. Dangerous. This one. Nee. This word, dangerous. Next word, easy. Oh, I think you know what is easy. She meant, oh, easy. Next, let's just go with difficult. Okay, difficult is the opposite of easy. Okay, so difficult.
ยาก
Oh, this one. This one is the difficult meaning. Okay, next, let's go with exciting and boring. Exciting. Exciting. Okay. Oh, this one, not this one. This one. Thrilling. Exciting. How do you say
น่า
that?
ตื่นเต้น น่าตื่นเต้น
Oh, really? Okay. And boring. Boring. B-O-R-I-N-G. Boring. How do we say boring? Boring. This one.
น่าเบื่อ
This one, huh? Boring.
น่าเบื่อ
Okay, so those are the adjectives. Okay. So since you already know what these words are, now let's go to me. Okay, so in describing something, or in describing sports, we also have 2 ways to describe, okay, to compare 2 or 3 or more sports or things. Okay, so for example, we have the word safe. Now, comparative, it means between two objects, or in this case, in our lesson, two sports. So for example, we can say basketball, or what are our sports? Chess is safer than windsurfing. Okay, Mai. So we are talking about two sports: chess, cup, windsurfing. Now, how do we write comparative adjectives? Okay, so with words that ends with letter E, what we're going to do is just add R. Okay, one syllable word that ends with letter E, we just need to add R. Now, safe becomes safer. Superlative. Superlative is like mak. Okay, so it's like it's the among all object, or among all the sports in our lesson. Okay, all right, so superlative is like very, very, very super. Okay. Okay, so safe, words that ends with E, we just need to add S. So we have safest. Oh, let's, I think this is, okay, teacher Shai's spelling was wrong. All right, so safest, again, we just have to add words with one syllable, safe, one syllable, Shimai, that ends with letter E, we just need to add ST. Now safe becomes safest. All right. And then the next one, we have dangerous. Dangerous. Now comparative and superlative. Dangerous, words with two or more syllables, we use more. With two or more syllables, so we have dangerous, dangerous. So that is two or more. We have three syllables. Now we add more before the word. So we have more dangerous. And superlative form, it's the same. We add most. Sorry, naka. Teacher Shai is, what is happening? Wake up. Most. The most. Okay. The most. The most. Okay. The most. The most. Okay. All right. So, okay. Now dangerous in superlative form, it becomes the most dangerous, like the most dangerous of all the sports. Okay, so Shimai, the rule says two or more syllables. Adjectives with two or more syllables, we use the most. Now we have here other adjectives with two or more syllables. We have difficult. Difficult. So difficult has three syllables. Now we use, oopsies, we use more difficult and the most difficult. Just like exciting, exciting, exciting. The more exciting, the most exciting. Now this one, two or more syllables, Shimai, boring, boring. Okay, so boring becomes more boring and the most boring, because we cannot say boringer and boringest. May me word naka. So that's not a word, so we erase that one. Okay. All right, so that's two rules already. Words that ends with letter E and one syllable, and then words with three or more syllables, we add we add more and the most. Now let's go to easy. Now easy, words with 2 syllables that ends with Y. Okay, change Y to I and add ER. Okay. Oh, Teacher Shai, what is wrong? Okay, add ER. Sorry. Okay, add ER. Okay, so easy. Easy, it means change Y. She might change Y to I and then add ER. Then now that becomes easier. And for the superlative, change Y to I and add EST. Now that becomes easiest. Easiest. Okay. All right. So again, these are our adjectives for today, the comparative form and superlative form. Now, I believe teacher Anne and teacher No will explain this further to you, okay? But just remember, words with 1 syllable ends with letter E, like this one, and like this one. Words with 2 or 3 or more syllables, we use more, the most, more, the most. Words with 2 syllables that ends with Y, change Y to I, add ER, and then add ST for superlative. Okay, all right, so now our sentences for today, we have a question and an answer. Okay, so the first question we have, which is the safest? Why is teacher Shai spelling so wrong? Okay, this is wrong, huh? No I. Safest, and then we have the most dangerous, which is the most dangerous, which is the easiest, which is the most difficult, which is the most exciting, which is the most boring. Blank sport. Okay. Teacher Shai spelling is wrong. I need no I, not no I. Okay. So now let's go to the answer. So our question for today is which is, now what you're gonna write here is the adjective. Now, which is the most exciting? Sport. Which is the most boring? Sport. Which is the safest? Sport. Which is the safe time? We use the superlative. Okay, so teacher Shai was using the superlative form of the adjectives. Okay, so focus on superlative. Now, answer. So for example, I wrote here, which is the most exciting. Which is the most exciting sport? Now for you, which is the most exciting sport? Which is the most exciting sport? Now, any sport that you feel exciting. So how do you answer? The most exciting sport is rafting. The most exciting sport is rafting. Okay, so again, this is the question now. We write the superlative form here and then the sport in the second blank. So if in the question you say which is the safest, the easiest, let's try the easiest. Which is the easiest? Which is the easiest sport? Now, how do we answer? The easiest. So we're right here. Oh no, spelling, my gosh. The easiest sport is archery. Okay, so we write archery. If the question is, which is the most dangerous. Dangerous. Okay, so the answer will be the most dangerous. Okay, the most dangerous sport is, what do you think? What do you think? Okay, just your opinion. Is mountain biking. Mountain biking. Now for teacher Shaina, mountain biking is the most dangerous sport. Okay, got it? Got it. Okay, so we just have the question and answer because in our activity, I will be asking you to express your opinions. So in order to express your opinions, you need to choose 3 sports, and I need you to describe your chosen sport using superlative adjective, just like here in our sentences. Just like here in our sentence. Okay. The blank sport is, you write the sport. So the superlative form, the easiest sport is, the safest sport is, the most dangerous sport is. Okay, na? So you choose 3 sports. 3 sports. Now, for example, you can choose darts, you can choose archery, and then windsurfing. Now, how do you describe windsurfing? The most exciting sport is windsurfing. The safest sport is darts. The most difficult sport is chess. Like that, na? 3. 1, 2, 3. Sam. And then describe your chosen sports using superlative adjectives. Now you write your sentences in your notebook. Okay, you write your 3 sentences in your notebook. Okay, we are just going to practice writing. Okay, okay, all right, so if you did not understand, so you can use the superlative adjectives na here. Na the correct spelling na safest, S-A-F-E-S-T, no I, not teacher shy, wrong spelling. Okay, so if you have questions, students and parents, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, you can ask me online, you can ask me on Facebook, or you can message me on Messenger. Okay, or you can ask teacher Anne and teacher Nok. Okay, Mai. All right, so thank you so much for watching, everybody, and see you again next time. Bye.